Summerwoods is a special community. We're located right in the heart of Parrish, just 3 miles to I-75 and close to everyday conveniences. Plus, we're zoned for some of the area's top-rated schools. You'll find parks, beaches, and area recreation all just a short drive from your new home. Summerwoods has some of the most scenic home sites in the area, with private backyards and no rear neighbors, backing up to nature and water views. We offer 1- and 2-story floor plans, so whether you're ready to purchase your first home, you need more space, or you're ready for your forever home, we have something you're going to love. Once you choose your dream home, we make it easy to personalize your space with our straightforward selections process. You'll get to choose from interior finishes, structural options, and home sites. You won't have to settle for someone else's design choices. When you tour our model homes, you'll be able to picture yourself making new memories in your expansive great room with plenty of space to entertain guests or prepare for the holiday feast in your kitchen.
You'll appreciate thoughtfully planned outdoor spaces throughout the community, like a multi-purpose green space, walking trails, playground, and a splash pad for kids. Spend the day relaxing with friends at your zero-entry pool or cool off on the shaded pool deck and grab lunch. We've even got a dog park for your furry family members. There is really something for everyone here. Summerwoods has a great sense of community and everyone comes together for events like the Food Truck Fridays, holiday golf cart parades, block parties, and more. You'll be a part of a community of friends that will last a lifetime. Here at Ryan Homes, we make it easy for you with our in-house lender and streamlined purchase process so you can focus on the fun part, building your new home. We keep you involved during the construction with weekly progress updates, pictures, and videos too. We'll be here for you along the way to answer any questions you may have, and you'll be a part of the Ryan Homes family for years to come.